Hey there, it's Daikin with ServiceOne. Today we're going to be unboxing the Daikin One Smart Thermostat. Immediately you'll notice that the packaging is beautifully done. The Daikin One is going to tie together Daikin's ecosystem of HVAC systems and intelligent air management, so it's a very important product and one I think Daikin will continue to improve upon. On the back of the box here, Daikin has highlighted 4 features: the schedule, light pipe, bubble level, and geofencing capabilities. I'd like to mention that the Daikin One also integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, adding voice control to its list of features. After opening the box, you'll find a card reading, "Welcome to Daikin One." Start by installing the system and commissioning the thermostat. ServiceOne includes the Daikin One Smart Thermostat with every Daikin Fit system, so our team will help you install the thermostat, commission the system, and we'll also provide you with an 8-page, high-resolution homeowner guide. We don't want homeowners to feel overwhelmed with the Daikin One's many features. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Here it is, the Daikin One. First smart thermostat to offer full 2-way communications. A couple things that initially stick out to me is the large temperature reading on the left-hand side, and the intuitive wheel that we can spin to the right, or left, or click into. If you'll remember, one of the highlighted features on the back of the Daikin One box was the light pipe here at the bottom of the thermostat. The light pipe glows blue for cooling and red for heating. I think it's safe to say that I love the Daikin One's beautiful craftsmanship and design. Behind the Daikin One, you'll find the premium baseplate equipped with the bubble level. This is where the professionals from ServiceOne will wire your HVAC and intelligent air management systems into your thermostat. Naturally, that can't be done without a couple handy-dandy screws provided right here. At ServiceOne, we are incredibly excited to have our hands on the Daikin One. It's a unique thermostat that is doing so much more than simply changing the temperature in your home. Once again, I'm Daikin with ServiceOne. Thanks for watching.